How to verify documents in TikTok Shop. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify documents in TikTok Shop. Step 1 is to go to TikTok Shop Seller Center. Open your TikTok app, go to Creator Tools, and tap TikTok Shop Seller Center. You can also visit the Seller Center online through a browser. Step 2 is to start the verification process. In the Seller Center, navigate to Account Settings and find the Verification section. Step 3 is to upload required documents. You'll need to upload a valid ID, business registration document, and proof of address. Ensure they're clear and match your registered details. Step 4 is to submit for review. Click Submit after uploading your documents, and TikTok will review them, which may take a few days. Step 5 is to wait for approval. Once approved, you'll get a notification. If there's an issue, TikTok will ask for a resubmission. And that's it. Now you're all set. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok tips. See you in the next video. Bye!